Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to use Siri Mode in camera app on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, make sure you are using iPhone iOS 27 or later. Open camera app on your iPhone. On the bottom of the screen you will see Siri. You can tap Siri beside the photo tab. This will bring up Siri Mode on camera app. Or you can swipe left to switch from the default photo mode to Siri mode. If you hold your camera in front of certain objects or subjects, you will see a pop-up with information about them. You can tap on the pop-up to learn more about it, or the better way to use Siri mode is to tap on the Siri button. Once you take the photo, Siri will offer some information about the image. You can tap image with magnifier button to get results from Google. Also, you can use ChatGPT. So these are the steps to use Siri mode in camera app on iPhone.